Hey y'all, it's your girl Ruth back again. I'm gonna make my lotion this time. So I put extra was everything I had in the shampoo. You can see it right there. Oops, dropping stuff all over the place. And the lotion. I do have castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil in there also. That was mixed into the the pear and the what is it? The pear and the sunflower oil. Okay. Yeah, beeswax and jojoba. I'm gonna put that last after I mix this, and I'm put it in the shea butter. And I forgot to show y'all how I look at the oil after I did it. I'd already put it in there, but yeah. Then I'm gonna add some of the lavender oil and extract, and well, that was rosemary and lavender. I'm gonna add that in there for smell. And this is my shampoo. I think I'm gonna add some of the lavender in there because it's not smelling like I want it to. But hey, experiment some more, right? But yeah, let's see how this turns. Let's turn this I don't have enough oil. So yeah, so I'll show y'all the results. I'm gonna have to shake it and do all that stuff. All right, just wanted to let y'all know. Starting in the oil now.